Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. It's me, Risa. I hope you're doing great. Depending on when you're watching this, it is January 2021, the new year. Can you believe it? Anyways, a lot of people are saying that they're stuck and they need new ideas and they want things that are quick and easy and versatile, healthy and delicious. So today, of course, I'm incorporating all of those things and more to this delicious stir fry, and it's going to be a marinara stir fry. So you can check out all my other stir fries, and this one you can add a lot of different things and I'll tell you what to do. So let's start off, all right? I have a big skillet, and all I did was I took a medium Vidalia onion and some cremini mushrooms. So about, I would say, a cup or so's worth, and I sprayed it. You can use olive oil or any cooking spray. So I just wanted to get that out of the way, and I'm gonna turn it on to a medium to high temperature, all right? So honestly, this is so versatile, and you can make, I have a huge skillet, and this way I'm gonna make a lot for a few days, okay? You could even take 2 skillets, why not? And then you can have it if you have family or any company. Well, you won't be having company right now during the pandemic, but hopefully in the very near future you will. And I love this because for you vegetarians or vegans, you can also enjoy this as well. So what have I done? I told you I had the Vidalia onion. You can use any onion and any mushroom, even canned mushrooms. You don't like mushrooms? What? Don't use it. All right, but the more mushrooms, I love it because they are so delicious and hearty and filling, okay? I also love using a lot of pretty vegetables and colors because what? We eat with our eyes. So I have yellow, red, and orange. I'll bring it up to the camera so you can see how lovely. And I just cut them into little bite-sized pieces, and I'm just gonna add that, okay? And also, it doesn't matter how much. You know, for me, the more I have, then the longer I have it for a few days, because this will last probably about 5 or 6 days, unless you're not vegetarian or vegan and you want to add a other kind of a protein to it, okay? So the other thing I had lying around the house, well, just for a few extra days, was these little cherry tomatoes. And sometimes they get a little crinkly or whatever. Don't throw them out, okay? Don't throw them out. Add them to your stir fries. So I just cut them usually into little pieces, and I'll add that. And that'll be great too, because if you want to use a marinara or you don't, the tomatoes will create a sauce. All right, I love zucchini. So you don't have zucchini, again, it's versatile, whatever you have. That's what I like to do. And this is my tip. Go in your fridge, see what you have, and use up your veggies, all right? When they get soft, make a stir fry, okay? So don't waste them. Don't throw them out. People are so quick to say, oh, they're soft, they're no good. They're fine, all right? And you will be happy that you kept it. All right, the other thing that I love is broccoli, all right? Again, you can use whatever you want. I buy a big bag at Walmart or Costco, and you can make them. So this is a huge piece, and I like to just break it up into little pieces, okay? Just with my hands. If it's a little brown at the end, just cut it off, all right? So you have leftovers, just remember, don't throw it out. Even if it's getting a little brown, you can cut it away and then just add that. And I'll tell you, this looks so pretty. I just bring it up with all the different colors, okay? And just show you, all right? And we're just going to mix that around. Go right from the bottom. So all the onion and mushrooms are incorporated in your stir fry. All right. So we're gonna add some flavor to it, of course. But before I do, I just wanna show you that these are my two favorite products, okay? So this is Fiber Gourmet Penne Pasta, and it comes in rotini and elbow. And the other thing I really love are these Konjac noodles, okay? Some people say, ew, I don't like those. Well, these are soy-free, gluten-free. What else are they? They're high in fiber, source of calcium, vegan, okay? And all you do is rinse them off and pat them dry, add a little bit of garlic or onion powder. I'm just gonna bring it up. And I love the Konjac noodles, okay? And they have different ones, and they have Konjac rice, all right? And here's the penne. The thing about the penne is for 1 full cup, it's 3 smart points on WW on all programs, okay? Super low. So this is 4 servings, all right? And I'm adding all of it. And you can add it after, or you can add it right now, okay? And I'm just gonna add it right now. And this is a lot, and it's going to be delicious. So sometimes I add the konjac, sometimes I add this pasta, and sometimes I have rice, whatever you like, okay? So let's do the spices. I'm just gonna add a pinch of some Italian seasoning. Remember, all my recipes and ingredients, the ingredients and recipes are under each video. There's a little tiny arrow, okay? And you can take a screenshot. So just a pinch of some Italian seasoning. I'm gonna just put in a sprinkle of some onion powder, probably about, you know, 1/4 teaspoon or so. Some onion powder. Again, about 1/4 teaspoon. I just like to sprinkle in, and your best bet is to taste. A little bit of some pepper, again, not too much, just a little bit. Just sprinkle some in. I'm just gonna put this out of the way. And to bring out the flavor, a bit of some pink Himalayan salt. And you can add fresh garlic, or you can just buy, I buy this at the dollar store. I'm just gonna put in a couple of teaspoons, maybe 3. We like garlic, and I'm just gonna mix that together. Okay, I'm just gonna bring this up to the camera so you can see how gorgeous does this look. Gorgeous. And super delicious. Now, all right, of course I'm gonna drop something. And it's never planned, I swear to God. Okay, not swearing to God. Now, I love Raos, and of course I make my own marinara as well. You can check out my recipe, but sometimes like I said, we want something quick, easy, and super delicious. And I love this brand. I'm just gonna bring it up, okay? And I believe you can get it at Costco now, but a lot of the stores have it, and I'm gonna put in a 1/2 jar, and 1 cup is 4 smart points. For all of you on WW, I just add a drop of water. Take a little water as a trick, and get all the rest out, okay? All right, and you can add more, you could add less, so it's up to you. And whatever brand or sauce that you want to make this is totally up to you. All right, so I'm just gonna cook that for a while. And now you could add, like I said, you could add whatever protein well, even if you're vegan, you could add beans to it if you want. Lentils would be delicious. And if you're not vegan or vegetarian and you want other kind of protein, you could add shrimp, you could add chicken, you could add beef, you could add tofu, you could add whatever you want, all right? Crab meat. And you could add some cheese on it afterwards as well. So we're gonna let that cook. And of course, dun, da, 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 I will show you the end result because of course I made it the other day and I'm bringing this to my mother's house tonight and we're gonna have it. And I have actually, and you know what? You can even use both the konjac and the penne. So I have actually both in here. And you can see what it looks like once it's done. It is so yummy and delicious. And if you want, you can put on Saputo light mozzarella. This is, and whatever cheese you have, if you want. And for those of you vegan, vegetarian, I know there's special cheeses out there, low-fat cheeses, or whatever program you're on and you want a higher fat cheese, of course you can. You could add some feta cheese to it, okay? And mozzarella, whatever you want, or some shredded. And this is Asiago cheese. I'll just sprinkle a little bit of that on here. You could heat it up or just have it like this, okay? And you will have a superb, easy, fast, versatile, delicious, healthy, guilt-free stir-fry marinara, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you've subscribed, ring the bell option so all my recipes, my new recipes that are published are emailed to you. You'll get a notification. And of course, sharing is caring. Tell everybody about my channel so we can pay it forward. All right. And if you make my recipe, please take a picture, post it, tag me on it on all your social media. I really, really appreciate it. And I love your comments and make sure you press the like button as well. Mwah. Bye for now. Take care.